Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve low volume issues on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. So first of all, let's adjust the sound volume manually using the volume buttons. Now while doing so, make sure to adjust the volume level for a specific media type. To do so, tap the three-dot bubble and adjust the system volume for specific media type. So if you, for example, if you are on call and you cannot hear the other person speaking, then make sure to find the sound bar with the phone icon in it and increase the sound volume in it. Hopefully this will already resolve your issue, but if not, we can still go for more. So go to settings, go to sounds and vibration, and make sure that do not disturb is disabled, just for at least for now. And here we can also check all the volume bars and increase the volume levels for specific media. You can try to toggle app specific volume, or most probably toggle it off. This way you will have the one static volume level for all apps. And also check the sound effect settings. Try changing your preset. Well, by default it's Smart is selected, which should work better than any other of these, since it smartly detects which sound you should use right now. But if it's just not doing good job, you can try and help it by switching manually to any different mode you have right here. And also try disabling Holo audio, or maybe actually disable it. Just disable it and check if it's not interfering with your volume. Okay, now besides that, also check your Bluetooth devices. Disable Bluetooth for a while to make sure that your sound isn't getting rerouted to your headphones or some other device you have around, speaker or anything else. And if it's not, then let's check the let's check the speaker and also check the headphone port. And if you suspect that they could have been clogged with something, use a soft brush to gently clean and unclog your ports from all kinds of debris that could have got stuck in there. And do not use any metallic tools ever. Do not put any metallic tools there, because you may damage your phone permanently this way and injure yourself. So yeah, only use a soft brush. It's the most effective tool. It will not get stuck in there, and it's the most efficient tool too. Now, also try the simplest way of resolving problems possibly. Simply restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up key together, and then swiping the circle up to restart, and then check your volume levels once again. But by the way, I also want to show you how to check for third-party interference, and this can be checked by entering the safe mode and checking our sound volume in there. Now, to do so, we're gonna have to simply restart the phone like we would regularly do, and then after we see an Android logo at the bottom of the screen, we're gonna have to wait for maybe 3 to 5 seconds, and after 3 to 5 seconds start holding down the volume down button and wait until your device is fully turned on. After your device is fully turned on, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, and right now all the volumes all the volumes on your phone will work the way that they are designed to. So check maybe the sound settings. I think it's the most obvious way to check the sound levels. Just go to sound and vibration and check your sounds in here. And in case you can hear your speakers clearly now, then it's a third-party interference, and in this case you're gonna have to go to settings, check the app settings, and look for some specific application that could have get your sound rerouted or blocked or anything. It definitely most probably it will not be the system application, so you should search for something that you could have recently installed on your phone, and just try out installing such application, or removing. No, just try to uninstall it. I think there is no like audio permission for applications, and then just restart your phone into the normal mode and check your volume levels again. And then the last thing that we can check is the software updates, which commonly resolve such kind of this kind of issues. And to check for software updates on our phone, we'll first, of course, gonna have to wait until it's restarted into the normal mode, which is gonna happen in a couple of seconds, and then disable the airplane mode, which gets enabled automatically when you enter the safe mode. We'll let your phone reconnect to the Wi-Fi and go to settings, then scroll down to system and update, then go to software update and make sure that you don't have any updates to install. If you do have, download and install the most recent update software version, and then let your phone reboot. This should resolve the rest of possible issues. As a last resort, go to settings, go to system and update, backup and reset phone, and just reset all settings on your phone. This will not remove any personal data from your device, but everything that you could, all the settings that you could have changed from the original state of the phone will be changed. For example, your navigation style, your wallpapers, etc. And if nothing has helped you so far, you can either perform a factory reset operation in the same menu where you've been, or just reach out to the OnePlus customer support service and tell them about the issue that you are experiencing, and let them take care of this problem. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.